we are actually very excited to see the ecosystem finally building up, and we are seeing more players getting into the market. One thing that makes Anokiwave stand out is a clear, consistent business goal or the end purpose that we are trying to solve. So as a company, we have been very clear, and we continue to maintain this direction that we are an IC company. Our goal is to provide millimeter wave silicon ICs to enable phased arrays at a commercial level. That's what we do. 5G, SATCOM, aerospace and defense happens to be the markets that benefit the most from that. But we are providing enabling ICs in these markets, and that clarity of mission is what has really differentiated us at first level. That's one. Number two is the millimeter wave experience, especially in silicon that Anokiwave brings, is truly unique and unmatched. The levels of integration, as we talked about with the IF transceiver that we are coming out with, the year-over-year, generation-over-generation performance improvements that we have offered, and the ability to support customers at a high volume mass scale, delivering the ICs in volume instead of just showing a PowerPoint or showing a datasheet spec, is what makes us unique. We are delivering these ICs, we are delivering this performance, we are building these antenna systems. Us being able to service multiple different market segments allows us to bring innovation from each of the market segments, like from SATCOM into 5G or from 5G into aerospace and defense and vice versa. That really allows us to be able to leverage the developments in all these segments and bring it into newer market segments, repurpose it for newer applications. We are not trying to be a box company or something else. We have a clear mission. We are an IC company. We want to support customers with antenna designs. If they need help, we want them to accelerate their antenna design, but we expect customers to have their own products that they develop using Anokiwave ICs. Pete, would you like to add anything to that?
Sure. Anokiwave was built around millimeter wave. The company's been around for a long time. I spent most of my career in aerospace and defense, and Anokiwave was a customer of mine for more than a decade, and they delivered into that customer base. And aerospace and defense is a pretty demanding customer base. I mean, failure is not an option. So they consistently delivered. They consistently deliver today products onto the market. And it's not, there's a lot of great academic work going on out there in different places. And it's one thing, I've seen the transition that it takes to take cutting edge technology and mature it, to be able to package it so that you can survive the reliability requirements and operate over hot and cold temperature extremes. And there's a big leap from doing, one-off academic work where you can get niche performance at different levels and transitioning it to a product base that can meet a wide range of requirements so that you have high yield and lowest cost. Anokiwave has succeeded in delivering into that type of environment because they understand the requirements and are able to flow those down from our customers, which are getting them from the operator customers. Millimeter wave phased array technology is very challenging technology. We want to take the millimeter wave part out of that and allow our customers to operate as if these are sub-6 gigahertz modules that they're plugging into their systems. That's one of our goals as an antenna team, is to help that in our ecosystems.